Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So I am here to share with you guys my entry for the Stuff It Collab 2020, hosted by Jamie, who is Poetspice here on the YT. So we will be going live once a month, the third Saturday of the month, share with you guys our 3D creations that we can stuff. Super excited about this collab. All the other lovely ladies' links and names will be in the description bar below. We do have, she did make up themes for each month, but she also gave us free will to make what we wanted to make. So, yes. So, you guys just stay tuned for our collab. Alrighty. Hello, everyone. Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a great day. This is supposed to be the video for the Stuff It Collab, the last one for this month of December. It has been a ride. For you that do not know, for you guys who do not know, that maybe did not see Lady Cree's video, my mother passed away this Tuesday morning unexpectedly, and it has been rough, to say the least. I am the oldest, so you know how that goes with that. So I am not chipper in this video for obvious reasons. But I want to come in and just share my last project for the Stuff It Collab, because I don't know when I'll be back. I have some pre-recorded stuff I may post, but you know, that's about it. So for this week, I only use this one die right here, the medium holiday bowl by My Creative Time. And I used this punch because I could not find my circle punch. I used this punch. This loose leaf sheet of paper that I got in the Echo Park warehouse box. I love this sheet. And that's how it is on the back. And I used some sheets out of this Flower Market 12 by 12 pad that I got in that box as well. I made this loaded envelope off of a tutorial that Sharingmoore did. She sent me this and had my birthday goodies in it. And I asked her where she had got it from. And some kind of way I missed her video on this. And so this is what I made. She showed a tutorial and I followed it. And that's what I made for this last Stuff It Collab. Here is the first one that I made, and I really like this because it reminds me of a book bag. So on the back, if you just put two straps, it really could be like a backpack. I'm sorry, you guys, I just lost my train of thought. But anyway, so I just put the bow right here, and that's Velcro. That's inside. It's ready to be stuffed. This is another one right here. And then that's how it is on the back. Very super simple, easy to follow. I did make some mistakes. This is the second one that I did. Here's the first one. I did make some mistakes. I don't know. But anyway, here's the first one that I made. Right here. Excuse me, that's the envelope. That's the first part, second part in the back. Like I said, they're ready to be stuffed. So, that's it, you guys. That's all I'm going to say. I just don't know what else to say. I'm just sort of like I said, I'm at a loss for words, but I hope you guys like my project. I'm just trying to do stuff to keep my sanity right now, and so I'm still working and everything. Just I have to, to keep busy. But I hope you guys have a great day. Check out what everybody else did. The links will be in the description bar below as well, and I'm sure we'll be doing giveaways and whatnot. And like I said, I don't know when I will be back. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. I love collabs, so thank you so much, Jamie, for hosting this collab, this year-long collab. Um, I've made stuff that I probably would have never made, used stuff that I done bought that I probably would have never used. Just being honest about it. So, oh, I'm sorry, I keep saying that's so annoying. Bye. I'm gonna just cut off here. Have a blessed day, guys.